Assalamualaikum parents and students of Primary 4. I am Madam Ida from YMS EduTech Learning Hub. In this video, let's go through together Topic 1, Numbers to 100,000. Let's take a look at the lesson objective. In this video, we're going to learn how to read, write, compare, order, and round numbers up to 100,000. Let's take a look at 1.1, number notation, representations, and place values. Place value system that students need to know will be in 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's take a look at an example here. 48,635. The digit 4 is in 10,000s place. The digit 8 is in thousands place. The digit 6 is in hundreds place. The digit 3 is in tens place. And the digit 5 is in ones place. Students, you must be able to read and write numbers in numerals as well as in words. For example, if we have 36507, identify the places for each digit and write down the words for this number. So that will be 30-6,000,507. Second example, we have 42,100. Write that in numeral, that will be 42100. Now, let's compare and order numbers. Let's compare between 48,635 and 50,205. Which is greater? That will be 50,205. Why is that so? Because 5 is greater than 4, and both of them are in the 10,000s place. Next, how do we arrange these numbers in ascending order? Ascending order means from small to big. Again, identify the digits that are present in the 10,000s place. The smallest digit that we see here is digit 3. Hence, 32,156 will be the smallest number, followed by 40,123. Why is that so? Because in the thousands place, 0 is smaller than 9. Followed by 49,000. And lastly, 56,789. Now let's move on. Patterns in number sequences. We must be able to explain how to recognize patterns in sequences such as counting by tens, hundreds, or thousands. Example, we have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. What is the pattern that we see here? From 10,000 to 20,000, that is an addition of 10,000. Same goes with 20,000 to 30,000. That is an addition of 10,000. And is this pattern consistent? Yes. From 30,000 to 40,000, that is another addition of 10,000. So for this sequence, the pattern is addition of 10,000. What about example 2? 100,000 followed by 99,000 followed by 98,000. This is a decrease by 1,000. And the pattern remains consistent from 99,000 to 98,000. That is a decrease of 1,000. As you can see here, the patterns can either be adding or subtracting of numbers. Now let's take a look at 1.5, rounding numbers to the nearest 10, 100, or 1,000. First example, round 48,635 to the nearest 10. The digit that is in the tens place is digit 3. If we look at the digit in the ones place, it is 5. Let's focus our attention on these two numbers, 35. Where is 35 or 48,635 on a number line? 48,635 will be in between 48,630 and 48,640. Okay, now student, whenever you see that the digit after the number that we're looking at is 5 or greater, what we need to do is to round it up to a higher value, and that makes 48,640. Let me show you another example. Round 48,635 to the nearest 100. Identify the digit that is in the hundreds place, that is digit 6. And the digit beside it, which is in the tens place, is 3. 48,635 will be in between, somewhere in between 48,600 as well as 48,000 and 700. Now, 48,635 is closer to 48,600. As such, we will round down 48,635 to be 48,600 instead of 48,700. Let's take a look at the last example. Round 48,635 to the nearest 1,000. The digit that is in the thousands place is digit 8, and the digit that is in hundreds place is 6, which is greater than 5. Hence, 48,635 when rounded off to the nearest 1,000 becomes 49,000. Now let's move on. Use of approximation. This is the symbol that we use to represent approximation. Example, 48,635 is approximately 49,000 when rounded to the nearest 1,000. Which digit is in the thousands place? That is digit 8. And the digit in the hundred place is 6, which is, excuse me, greater than 5. Hence, we round up 48,635 to be 49,000. In summary, we have recapped on understanding places values. We have looked at how to read and write large numbers in both numerals and words. And we have looked at how to compare as well as order numbers and recognize patterns and rounding numbers. You may want to attempt the following questions as homework. That's all from today's video. Inshallah, we'll move on to topic 2 in the next video. Continue to review the concepts and practice more problems. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!